So it's my birthday week, so this lineup was okay. I wish I had more chocolate for my birthday week, but how would they know it's my birthday? In 2 days, Scorpio season. We're gonna start. Which one should we start with? This is the Buckeye Brownie. It's looking like. It's like chocolate and it's like a peanut butter base and stuff. That peanut butter is thick. Like, I got stuck over like all the top of my teeth. That shit's thick. It's so good though. Like, the cookie itself is really good. I just don't like the uncomfortable feeling of how thick the peanut butter is. Like, it's super thick. And I don't like that. Because it just gets stuck over, so you're not enjoying it how you will if it wasn't thick. And that one is a warm cookie. I think the only one that's chill is the cheesecake one. But it tastes good though, I'm not even gonna lie, but it was just the thickness that threw me off. So I'm gonna give that an 8. So next one we got is the cookie butter one. This is good. That one is mad good. That's slapping OD. Not gonna lie, at first I was like sus about it because like the base itself feels like kind of flaky, like one of those cookies that you just like bite into, like you just eat and it's just like really crunchy and really hard. But it was really soft on the inside, like crispy outside plus with the soft inside. I feel like made the cookie, honestly. I don't think I ever had cookie butter before. I think it's my first time having cookie butter and it tastes really good. I really like this cookie. OD. I'm gonna give this one a 9.2 for sure. So this is the, I think this is a strawberry cake if I'm not mistaken. This is how it's looking like. Big cookie compared to the other ones. Y'all already know how I feel about strawberry cookies or fruits and cookies. I'm not really a big fan, but that cookie was really, like, it was good. At first I was like, oh, this is why I like cookies on fruits on cookies type shit. But the frosting itself was very light, and that was very surprising. Like, it was very light. It wasn't too sweet. It had more of a strawberry taste, but it was really light. It wasn't too sugary, which I really do enjoy. Because I'm not gonna lie, although I really do like Crumbl, sometimes they frosting be a bit too much. Like, it be ruining the cookie. But this one, it didn't do it. This is like, if you're a big fan of strawberry, this is your cookie. Like, you're gonna love this one. Like, if you're a big fan of strawberry. But me, I like eating the fruit, not combined with the whole baking dilemma. But that was really solid. It was really fluffy. It was really good. I'm gonna give that one the aftertaste is really good. Like, I still taste it in my mouth. I'm gonna give that one a solid, I'm gonna give it 8.2 because it wasn't bad. And this is the last one, and this is like the chocolate pumpkin cheesecake. And honestly, I have no idea why they're serving this in November. I feel like they should have done this for Halloween because this looks like a Halloween cookie. We want to try it. Wait a minute. Wait a damn minute. Erase the shit I was just talking about. Erase that. Honestly, I have no idea why they're serving this in November. I feel like they should have done this for Halloween because this looks like a Halloween cookie. Erase that. This is really good. This cookie base is dumb good. This chocolate one tastes more like a brownie than the other one. That's supposed to be a brownie. That was really good. That was OD good. The cookie itself does just taste like a brownie, but it's like a light brownie. It is flat, so you would think it don't give you that fluffy texture, but it deadass does. Like, you're getting the whole big cookie experience in that little ass cookie. Not little, but flat ass cookie. The pumpkin, I think I really do like pumpkin, which is surprisingly, because I never really have pumpkin shit, but I really do think I have pumpkin. Bitches get their nails done and now they can't stop showing their hands. Let me stop. But it's really good. Like, it went perfect together. It's just like, it was calm. Honestly, for that cookie, I really didn't have high expectations for, but that tasted good. That was the best one out of all of them. I'm not even a whole jar. Like, that was fire. That was dumb fire. I would give that a solid 9.8. This week lineup, for the fact that it's my birthday, I'm gonna give it, actually this week lineup wasn't that bad compared to the last couple weeks they've been having. I'm gonna give this whole week lineup a solid 8 because it was like a calm week. Nothing like outrageous. The only one that I will come back for is that chocolate and pumpkin cheesecake because that shit was fire. And so my birthday is on Wednesday, and I'm thinking about filming like what I eat because I'm celebrating my birthday all week because my friends are coming and stuff like that. So I'm thinking about filming like everything I eat in like 4 to 5 days in a giant YouTube video / like TikTok video. So let me know if y'all want to see that, and comment down below like how y'all want me to format the videos. Do y'all want me to do individually each day, or do y'all want me to do it like all together week and just drop down on a Tuesday or Sunday? Probably a Tuesday because Sunday I'm probably gonna be hangover. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. But comment down below how y'all want that, and make sure y'all November 9th, make sure y'all tell me happy birthday on my food page. And for my birthday, please get me to 4K followers on Instagram, please. Right now we're at 3,869, which is insane. Let me put my brightness up. I just saw how dirty my screen is. Oop. Please follow my Instagram. Please get me to 4,000 before my birthday. Y'all have 2 days to complete the mission. Really, 1 day? I'm gonna say 2 days, including today. Y'all have 2 days to complete the mission. Please follow me on Instagram. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like this video and comment down below which flavors y'all want to try. Do y'all think it's a W week or do y'all think it's an L week? Personally, I feel like it's like a midweek. Or comment if it's a midweek. W, mid, or L. I don't think this week was an L week though. So see y'all next time, and make sure you come back to my channel every single Monday at 4 p.m. I'll be dropping Crumbl reviews. And if you want a sneak peek of all my ratings, make sure you follow me on Instagram because I do post my ratings at 3 p.m. Eastern. Bye y'all.